I reflect on my immigrant experience, coming to this country when I was 15 years old. And I know a lot of our clients come here from somewhere else, usually Mexico, considering, that we work in California and agricultural counties. These are, the populations of clients we work with. But my experience was that, we came from a country where my parents were somebody. They had jobs, they had lives, they had friends, they were part of a social structure. And then when you come to this country, you start from nothing. And it's very dangerous for a teenager to see your parents reduced to that or just not be.
I think you've hit it right in the head, and it's not just that you start from nothing, you start below nothing.
Maybe even below nothing.
And I don't mean necessarily poverty, because you're not starting at a level of I am nothing. You're starting at a level from I don't exist here because I may be illegal here. I'm not supposed to be here, so I'm not actually here.
Well, that's a unique additional challenge that we didn't have because we came here, with legal status. So at least with all of the challenges that we had, the one thing we did not have to do was sort of, look over your shoulder, is ICE coming to arrest grandma,
Right. And when you're constantly thinking of is ICE coming to arrest grandma when you're little, you're not necessarily thinking of the government as your friend. So intervention programs, social programs, those aren't things that you're looking out for. Those are things that you're avoiding. You're avoiding the knock on the door. You're just going to stay in seclusion. And the best way to stay in seclusion is to join a gang.
Why?
Because you're no longer an individual. You lost that. You never were that anyways. You were never part of this society. So since you were never part of this society, you are part of a society. And you belong within that. You have a moniker and you have a ranking system. So you now are receiving the discipline that you were supposed to have received somewhere else.